nice thing of having it flip it too.
Oh, you want me to taste it? Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight we're going to be having meatloaf, mashed potatoes, green beans, mushroom gravy. Today is November 2nd?
Yep.
November 2nd. So we're going to have...
All day.
We're going to have an amazing meal tonight, and I'm going to show you exactly how we did that because he's an amazing cook. He has been making vegetable broth all day from our vegetable scraps that we keep in the freezer. It's going to be a good night. The green beans, processed those in the vinegar water, cleaned them up, chopped up the garlic, got those in olive oil. I'm going to wipe off these mushrooms and chop them up. And we also have roasted garlic going on in the toaster oven. All right, I'm going to chop up these potatoes and get them in this water and get them boiling for some roasted garlic mashed potatoes for tonight. All right, mashed potatoes are done. Now we're going to add some heavy whipping cream.
Whatever was left.
Oh, yeah, right. The little teaspoon. I bought some more. And then we have some whole milk going in. And some sour cream. Kosher salt.
That's about a teaspoon. A teaspoon.
Butter in or no?
Yeah, right.
How much butter did you put in?
2 tablespoons of this, and then we had a little chunk of the Irish.
I had roasted up some garlic earlier and chopped some garlic and put in extra virgin olive oil. So we like roasted garlic mashed potatoes.
Use a little bit of regular garlic. In this, I took your bulbs, added some olive oil.
Made a paste.
Made a paste.
Now we're just going to take the hand mixer and mix it up. So you have sausage and beef.
Yes.
Some garlic powder, chili powder, cayenne, tarragon, marjoram, parsley flakes, basil, oregano, ground thyme, onion powder, celery seed, and salt and pepper. Adding 2 eggs. And baby, that's a loaf.
Yeah, hopefully it tastes good.
I'm sure it's great.
Ain't nothing gravy and salt can't fix.
Oh, meatloaf is what's for dinner tonight. What are we at? $3.25 for an hour?
Yeah, with the convection bake, I did the convert thing, so it should
Okay.
be $3.50 for an hour.
But we'll do $3.25.
The computer does it.
All right, good.
Yeah.
At this point, the meatloaf is done, but we did want to add just ketchup, just regular ketchup on top, and then bake it again. Okay, so we're sauteing up some onions, just sweating those out, and then this is the start to the mushroom gravy. Oh my God, that looks really good. It smells really good. It smells good and it looks good. Oh, you want me to taste it?
Yeah.
Oh, as I drip it. That's good. Oh, I think it looks pretty good. I think it looks like a glaze. For the green beans, we blanched them first, and then we added just some garlic and butter, salt and pepper to the hot pan and stirred it up.
No, it's off, but it's still... Yeah, it's good stuff.
That is good.
All right, you gotta get out of there, because you'll be in bed 10 minutes.
Well, that's good. Okay, so that's what's for dinner tonight.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, friends.